Female dogs possess hidden intelligence that most owners never notice. And we're about to reveal 10 mind-blowing behaviors that will completely change how you see your girl. Number 1, pack peacekeeper role. Your female dog isn't just hanging out when other dogs are around. She's actively reading the room like a social genius. A study from the University of Vienna found that female dogs intervene in conflicts 73% more often than males, using what researchers call affiliative interruption. Watch her closely next time two dogs start getting tense. She'll position her body directly between them before things escalate, or she'll initiate play with the more aggressive dog to redirect their energy. This isn't random. She's strategically diffusing bombs before they explode. You'll notice she uses calming signals like yawning, lip licking, or turning her head away. These are deliberate communication tools. She's basically the therapist of the dog park, and she never even got a degree. Number 2, pregnancy and baby protection. Here's something wild that'll make you look at your girl differently. Female dogs can detect pregnancy in humans weeks before a test shows positive. Research published in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior showed that dogs can sense the hormonal changes, specifically the rise in HCG and progesterone, through scent alone. Your dog's nose has up to 300 million scent receptors compared to your measly 6 million. She knows you're pregnant before you do, and once she knows, her entire behavior shifts. She'll position herself between you and strangers. She'll become gentler with her movements around you. Watch how she approaches a baby, even one she's never met. She'll lower her body, soften her eyes, and move in slow motion. This isn't trained behavior. It's pure instinct hardwired into her brain to protect the vulnerable. Number 3, training you. Let's be honest about who's really in charge here. A 2020 study from Eötvös-Loránd University revealed that dogs trained their owners in 68% of observed interactions, and female dogs were significantly more successful at it. Think about your morning routine. Does she stare at you until you feed her at the exact same time every day? That's operant conditioning, and you're the subject. She's learned that specific behaviors get specific results from you. The head tilt when you're eating makes you share your food. The paw on your lap gets immediate attention. She's not begging, she's executing a carefully tested strategy. You thought you were teaching her commands, but she's been running experiments on you this whole time. Every time you respond to her cues, you're reinforcing her training program. She's basically a scientist in a fur coat, and you're her very cooperative lab rat. Number 4, manipulating other pets. Your female dog has mastered the art of getting what she wants without starting a war. Watch her when she wants the cat's sunny spot on the couch. She won't charge in barking. Instead, she'll grab a toy and start playing nearby. The cat gets curious or annoyed and moves. Mission accomplished. Or she'll use you as her pawn. She'll bring you a ball near where the cat is sleeping. You throw it. Chaos ensues. Cat leaves. She claims the spot. This is called social tool use, and it's incredibly sophisticated. She understands that indirect methods work better than direct confrontation. She's also brilliant at resource guarding without aggression. She'll simply lay her body between you and the other pet. No growling needed. She's rewritten the rulebook on competition, choosing strategy over strength every single time. Number 5, emergency alerting. Some female dogs can literally sense when you're about to have a medical emergency. We're talking about detecting seizures up to 45 minutes before they happen. Research from the University of Florida found that seizure alert dogs respond to subtle changes in human scent compounds that shift before an episode. Your dog can smell the chemical changes in your body. She'll start pawing at you, whining, or refusing to leave your side. Dogs have also alerted their diabetic owners to dangerous blood sugar drops by detecting the scent of isoprene on their breath. This isn't magic or mysticism. It's biology meeting incredible sensory ability. Some dogs have woken their owners during heart attacks or strokes. They sense the change in breathing patterns, heart rate, or body temperature. Your female dog might just be your most advanced medical device, and she never needs batteries or calibration. Number 6, Problem-solving toys. Hand your female dog a puzzle feeder and watch her work. Studies from the University of Portsmouth showed that female dogs spend 34% more time analyzing a problem before acting compared to males. She's not randomly pawing at it. She's observing how the pieces move. She'll try one approach, watch what happens, then adjust her strategy. This is called insightful problem solving. You'll see her test different angles and techniques. She'll use her nose to nudge one part while her paw works another. She's basically running a systematic experiment. The patience she shows is remarkable. While other dogs might give up or get frustrated, she'll keep working through the challenge. This reveals executive function, the same brain process humans use for planning and reasoning. Number 7. Hiding treats for later. Your female dog isn't just burying that treat because of instinct. She's making calculated decisions about future resources. She'll bury high-value items like bones or special treats, but she won't bury her regular kibble. That's value assessment. She remembers the exact location of multiple buried items, sometimes for months. This requires episodic memory, the ability to recall specific events. She'll also adjust her hiding spots based on who's watching. If another dog sees her bury something, she'll move it later. That's deceptive behavior, which requires understanding that others have different knowledge than she does. She's planning for scarcity even when food is abundant. This kind of future-oriented thinking was once believed to be uniquely human. Number 8. Reading your emotions. Your face is an open book to your female dog. Research from the University of Lincoln proved that dogs can distinguish between happy and angry human faces, and they respond differently to each. She's not just reading your expression, she's reading your eyes specifically. Dogs are the only non-primate species that naturally follow human eye gaze. When you're sad, she'll approach slowly and offer physical contact. When you're angry, even if not at her, she'll give you space. She can hear the micro changes in your voice pitch that signal stress. Your heart rate increases when you're anxious, and she can sense that through subtle body language cues you don't even know you're giving. This emotional intelligence helps her predict your needs before you ask. She's your emotional support system with 4 legs and a wet nose. Number 9. The guilt trip master. Those big puppy eyes aren't accidental. Your female dog has learned exactly which facial expressions melt your resolve. She's studied your reactions and calibrated her approach. The head tilt gets attention. The soft eyes get sympathy. The gentle paw raise gets treats. This is social learning at its finest. She knows that making herself look smaller and more vulnerable triggers your nurturing instinct. She'll even fake limp sometimes if she's learned it gets her carried. Wild. Right. This shows she understands cause and effect in social situations. She's connecting her actions to your emotional responses. That's theory of mind, the ability to understand that you have thoughts and feelings she can influence. Number 10. Predicting your routine. Your female dog has your schedule memorized better than you do. She's built an internal clock based on your patterns. She knows when you usually wake up, when you leave, when you return. She'll start waiting by the door exactly 2 minutes before you arrive home. This isn't psychic ability, it's pattern recognition and time perception. She's tracking the position of the sun, the sounds of the neighborhood, and probably even your usual arrival route. If you work from home, she knows the difference between your lunch break and your end-of-day shutdown routine. She'll bring you her leash at walk time without being asked. She's created a mental map of your life and uses it to predict what happens next. This kind of temporal processing requires serious brain power. Now you see just how brilliant your female dog really is. But knowing her intelligence means nothing if you're accidentally hurting her every single day without realizing it. So make sure you catch our next video where we break down the 10 ways you might be causing her pain. You could be damaging your bond with her right now, and you don't even know it's happening.